oil-based oleochemical industry. Each year, the world consumes more than 9 million tons of soap, 27 million tons of detergents, 30 million tons of lubrication oils, and many more million tons in cosmetics and toiletry products, pharmaceuticals and industrial chemicals valued at billions of dollars. Even Malaysia, with a population of less than 20 million people, imports more than 240 million US dollars of cosmetics annually. Do you know that palm oil, Malaysia's biggest commodity, is being increasingly used in the manufacture of these products? They are manufactured from chemicals derived from natural oils and fats called oleochemicals, and some from petrochemicals. Oleochemicals are mainly derived from downstream processing of palm oil, palm kernel oil, tallow and coconut oil, which are not only renewable raw materials but versatile and biodegradable, ensuring environmentally friendly products. These benefits over petrochemicals have led to current world consumption of more than 6 million tons of oleochemicals and is expected to increase further by the turn of the century. Oleochemical products, both basic and derivatives, produced from downstream processing of palm oil are fatty acids, metal esters and other alkyl esters, fatty alcohols, fatty amines and glycerol. Crude fatty acids and glycerol are produced by hydrolysis, that is, high temperature and high pressure fat splitting methods, while alcoholysis, that is, trans-esterification using methanol, produces methyl esters, and followed by high temperature and high pressure hydrogenation to produce fatty alcohols and fatty amines. Through further chemical modifications, numerous types of derivatives are manufactured for commercial applications. The main areas of application of fatty acids and their derivatives are in the manufacture of soaps, metallic soaps, washing and cleaning agents, plastics, cosmetics, alkyd resins, dyestuffs, textiles, leather and paper industries, rubbers and lubricants. Meanwhile, alkyl esters and their derivatives are mostly used in cosmetics, lubricants and as raw material for washing and cleaning agents. Fatty alcohols and derivatives are used in the production of washing and cleaning agents, personal care products, textiles, leather and paper industries. Fatty amines and derivatives are used in fabric conditioners, mining, road making, as biocides, textile and fiber industries, as corrosion inhibitors and as additives in lubricants. Glycerin and derivatives are utilized in the production of cosmetics, toothpaste, pharmaceuticals, foodstuffs, lacquers, plastics, synthetic resin, tobacco, explosives and cellulose processing. Although the centuries-old oleochemical industry is well developed in advanced countries, the Malaysian chapter of the palm oil-based oleochemical industry began in 1979. With only 5 companies in the early 80s, the number has since mushroomed, with 33 licenses issued and 13 companies currently in operation. The oleochemical production growth has been phenomenal, from a mere 167,000 tons in 1987 to current productions reaching almost 1 million tons. This trend is mainly attributed to the availability of abundant raw materials and Malaysia's Industrial Master Plan incentives. Meanwhile, joint ventures with foreign participation provide technology, capital and captive markets. The advantages of palm oil-based oleochemicals are: the fatty acids of palm oil and palm kernel oil can readily substitute tallow and coconut oil respectively. The availability of raw materials is assured because of a steady increase in world production. Other established advantages are their better quality, versatility, and, as a vegetable oil, being more acceptable for religious reasons. Its advantages over petrochemicals are: it is a renewable resource and it is biodegradable, ensuring cleaner waste disposal and thus contributing towards a healthy environment. 80% of all natural oils and fats production consists of vegetable oils, out of which almost 20% is utilized in non-food applications. The rapid growth in palm oil production during the 80s increased its market share tremendously, making it the largest selling edible oil in the world export trade of oils and fats. Malaysia, being the world's leading producer and exporter of palm oil, is poised to become a major center for the manufacture of palm oil-based oleochemicals and their derivatives. Future growth of the oleochemical industry will be centered around the high economic development and growth region of the Asia-Pacific countries with abundant raw materials. The traditional natural raw materials, tallow and coconut oil, have shown only marginal growth during the last 2 decades. Meanwhile, world palm oil production increased rapidly and is expected to exceed 22 million tons by the year 2000, contributing 21% of the total production of oils and fats. This clearly positions palm oil as an important raw material in the oleochemical industry. 80% of palm oil products are from ASEAN countries, with Malaysia the leading producer and exporter. Coupled with the expansion in future demand for oleochemicals and derivatives in the Asia-Pacific region, Malaysia is on the threshold of recording the highest rate of growth in the oleochemical industry in the next decade. In line with this, the government has again identified oleochemicals as a growth sector in the palm oil industry in the next industrial master plan. Many attractive incentives have been offered to create a conducive environment in this burgeoning industry. Malaysia has literally become a haven for oleochemical manufacturers. The Malaysian Oleochemical Manufacturers Group, MOMG, has adopted the Responsible Care Program launched by the Chemical Industries Council of Malaysia. Through this program, manufacturers of oleochemicals are committed to ensure health, safety and environmental quality in the production, storage and transportation of these products. Research and development to enhance quality and product range in support of the industry is undertaken by Palm Oil Research Institute of Malaysia's Advanced Oleochemical Technology Centre. This centre assists in technology development in the use of basic oleochemicals and their derivatives for downstream activities in order to increase palm oil's use, improve efficiency, diversify end uses and develop high value-added products. World demand for oleochemicals is expected to increase 20% in the next 5 years. With tallow and coconut oil production slowing down, the pressure will shift to other vegetable oils as new raw materials. Palm oil and palm kernel oil, with rapid increases in production and built-in advantages as a more versatile and biodegradable product, is positioned strategically to fulfill the high demand from the oleochemical industry, which is expected to generate billions of US dollars in world trade by the turn of the century. Palm oil, nature's gift to Malaysia, Malaysia's gift to the world.